Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Please help me. Please help me. May I come in? May I come in? Can I go to the washroom? Can I go to the washroom? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you explain this? Can you explain this? I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. May I go to the library? May I go to the library? I need help with this. I need help with this. May I answer the question? May I answer the question? It is time for lunch. It is time for lunch. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Can I read the next page? Can I read the next page? Can we play the game? Can we play the game? We are going to school trip. We are going to school trip. I am ready for the test. I am ready for the test. I have a question. I have a question. Stand in a line. Stand in a line. May I written on the board? May I written on the board? Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. I am giving my presentation. I am giving my presentation. I am solving math problem. I am solving math problem. Can I use the computer? Can I use the computer? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Look at the board. Look at the board. Can you check my spelling? Can you check my spelling? I am solving math problem on board.